Hello Pose, this is Trick and welcome to another episode of Trick Tries. Today, isa-save natin ang World of Wizardry as Trick Tries. Mystery Manila! Mystery Manila is the first live role-playing game dito sa Philippines. Basically, kukulong kayo ng mga friends mo sa isang room tapos kailangan nyo makalabas by solving riddles and puzzles. Or else... Each game runs for an hour, tapos may 15 minutes na briefing and debriefing, so bali ang total niya is 1.5 hours.
So if you manage to finish the game under 30 minutes, all of you can get a free physical t-shirt like this one, and of course, be on our leaderboard. So finish under 40 minutes, mystery ball pens, and finish 60 minutes, you'll get 2 thumbs up, and congratulations!
Everybody join me! Congratulations!
Choose your own mystery ang peg nila dito sa Mystery Manila kasi they offer rooms from horror, mafia at iba pa na siguradong te-testing sa friendship nyo na mga ka-squad goals mo. And today, ang itatry natin ay yung Harry Potter-inspired room nila na World of Wizardry.
There you are, Potter.
I'm Harry Potter.
Mr. Potter.
Ang backstory nito, mga trainee wizards tayo na naatasang i-recover ang magical time turner para pigilan si Sidious para sa kanyang mga evil plans of changing the world of wizardry. Parang ganun. Honestly, mabigat na responsibility siya. Pero, I mean...
Kung hindi tayo kikilos, sino ang kikilos? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa?
So any questions po pala before we start?
Hello.
Hello po.
Sige, game!
Ready to go? Alright, so your timer starts now.
Goal is to team up and work your way out of the room, and sa case natin, kailangan niya natin kunin yung magical time turner. Gagawin natin yan sa pamamagitan ng pag-solve the magical puzzles.
Wala, iba pa to eh.
Ang dami.
Una pa lang tayo?
Sana pina-assignment pala. Pag-mix ng potions.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, tama na po ba?
Alright guys, so congratulations.
Yes! At pag-cast ng iba't ibang spells. Luminog didap-dap! Wingardium Cambodia! Don't worry if ma-stuck kayo kasi may option naman na humingi ng clue or help from the gamekeeper, pero plus 5 minutes nun sa total solving time nyo. Kaya kung competitive kayo or aiming for the prize or mapabilang sa leaderboard, better strategize muna before using this. Personally, hindi ako hardcore Potterhead, pero sobrang na-enjoy ko pa rin yung puzzles, yung challenge, and yung pagiging wizard. So I think lalo na kung Harry Potter fans kayo, baka mas ma-enjoy nyo pa yung experience.
Ayaw? Okay.
Yes! Finally, after 15 years. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Nagkaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano ka-exciting sa Mystery Manila. First time ko dito, pero nakapag-try na ako ng ibang mga escape room na mga format na mga activities, and I can say na it's always a different experience. Una, yung mga kasama mo. PYTVPH in Mystery Manila! Mystery Zone! And second, dahil nga maraming room sa pamimilian, ito yung nangyari sa kabilang room. So ganito, ilalak natin si ate para hindi rin siya makalabas. Kailangan niyang masolve yung mystery. Ayan, so kinulong po namin yung aming gamekeeper dito sa Murder in Damascus. Tingnan natin kung makakalabas siya kasi wala kaming iniwan na clues. For this particular room na World of Wizardry, since hindi siya horror-themed, mas nakapag-focus ako sa pag-solve ng puzzles imbes na dumikit sa padar at mag-pray. I'd like to thank Mystery Manila for inviting us and allowing us to film inside the room. At least, mas nakakita natin kung ano ba talaga nangyayari sa Mystery Manila without spoiling the fun, syempre. Next time po ulit sana, and I hope we can try Rebecca's room. Wow, tapang. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a different and challenging bonding experience for your family and friends. Lalo ngayon tag-ulan na, so go muna tayo for indoor activities para safety first lagi. And it's also a note to myself. You may check their website para sa kumpletong list ng mga mysteries na ino-offer nila in their 4 branches. And shoutout from last episode's question to Larry Vlogs and Miguel Franco Serrano. Hello po sa inyo. This episode's question is, kung matatrap kayo ng mga friends mo sa isang room na inspired sa isang movie, anong movie yon? Ako definitely hindi horror. Final Destination, parang okay din siya, pero I'd go for Jumanji para saktong level of adventure lang. I-comment nyo below yung sagot nyo and I'll pick lang subscribers na ma-shoutout sa ating next Trick Tries episode. Yon! If this is your first time seeing me, welcome to my channel. For more travel and kajoloksan and videos like this, subscribe to my channel and you may also follow me on my other social media accounts. That's it! See you next video! Bye, Pose!
Expecto